What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve Natto, and I want to thank you all for stopping by the video today. As you can see, we have a huge Supreme item for you guys to check out in hand, and I'll give you guys my full review on this t-shirt. This is, of course, the Supreme COVID-19 Relief Box Logo tee. So now, if you saw my other videos talking about this shirt, I actually did miss out on it at retail price when it dropped back on April 24th for retail price of $60, where Supreme donated all of the funds to the relief of the COVID-19 efforts. So this shirt is actually not mine. It was lent to me by a friend. A friend of mine did pick this up from Supreme's website for that retail price of $60 on the drop, and he lent it to me for this video, so shouts out to him. But this is actually crazy to check out in hand. I really wanted this shirt for myself, but of course did miss out. This shirt actually isn't my size either. It is my friend's size. This is an extra large. I wear a size medium in Supreme, so he's keeping the shirt, but I'm not gonna put it on. It's gonna look huge on me. We're gonna open it up though and take a full look at the shirt to give you guys an up close look at what's actually inside here and what the t-shirt looks like. So be sure to stay tuned and check out the full review of this shirt towards the end, where I give you guys my kind of final thoughts and opinion on it, but we'll dive in and take a look at what this shirt actually looks like in hand. So I want to thank you one final time for stopping by the video. You know, like I mentioned, this is a really big item. I picked up plenty of other Supreme items from this season, a lot more back when the stores were open. I did a lot of stuff at the beginning of the season and put up a review on those Supreme Oreos if you guys check those out. So this is just another crazy item to add to the list for Supreme Spring Summer 2020, and very thankful to have this in hand. So with all that being said, we need to just jump in and check this out. I don't want to make this too long of a video, but we'll dive in and start checking out the Supreme COVID-19 Relief Box Logo t-shirt. So here we are with the shirt directly from Supreme. It's still in the packaging. I did just want to show you guys what it looks like, you know, as it comes directly from Supreme, and then we'll get it opened up and take a look at the shirt itself. But I wanted to show you this barcode that comes attached on the plastic here. You can see COVID-19 Relief Box Logo T. SS20 is what it says in the bottom left corner. Color is white, of course, and the size here is extra large. As you can see, it comes packaged like most other Supreme shirts, you know, across the seasons. You can see the tag, if we get that zoomed in, extra large. And then on the other side, you know, all this other kind of writing on the plastic with the box logo right there. So now with that out of the way, I will get this opened up and I'll show you guys what the shirt looks like on its own. And now here is the shirt opened up. So again, here's the plastic. As you can see, ripped right open. We got the size tag there, and then onto the shirt itself. So it is an extra large, it is pretty big. But first, we gotta take a look at that box logo. So as we get in zoomed close, you can see Supreme in the white. That designed by Takashi Murakami for the box logo itself, with all kinds of colors, looking really cool. But that is really all that's on the shirt, aside from the back and the tag. So next we'll take a look at the tag. We got Supreme, pre-shrunk 100% cotton, made in the USA, extra large. And in the back of it here, it does have the Supreme written right there, but there's that RN number, some of the information, and there's a good look at the tag for those who want to use this video to compare, you know, their shirts or whatever it might be, but this is what it should look like. And then now we'll check out the back here. So on the back, it does have the Takashi Murakami copyright and logo right there, and then COVID-19 Relief Fund 2020, just printed right on the back. But that is pretty much it here. There isn't much else on the shirt. It is just all white, but I did just want to show you guys what that looks like because I have this in hand here. So that is a look at the shirt, but that's pretty much it. And so now there we have it for the Supreme COVID-19 Relief Box Logo tee in hand. We have taken a look at the entire shirt, both right in the package and outside of the package from Supreme. So again, shouts out to my friend for passing this along for the video. This was something really cool to check out. Definitely one of the best pieces from Supreme Spring Summer 2020, and very glad to have checked it out. So obviously it's a really cool intersection between so many different things for Supreme, COVID-19 relief efforts, and the design with Takashi Murakami. It's such a crazy piece that is going to live on in Supreme's history forever, honestly, especially once everything for COVID-19 finally blows over. So crazy, crazy piece and very, very cool at the end of the day. But my kind of final opinions and thoughts on the piece are pretty similar to what I mentioned before, in that at the end of the day, it's a $60 t-shirt that came out from Supreme and is now trading on resale marketplaces like StockX for anywhere around $600, $700, $800. I've seen them higher, I've seen them lower. So they're in that range and definitely a lot of money for a t-shirt. And my thought is that it's really cool, but I'm certainly not going to go and shell out that money to just get this t-shirt. I think it's really cool, but me personally, I'm not going to go do that. I missed out on it at retail price. I would have loved to have only paid $60, obviously, just like almost every single person watching, but I'm not in a position to want to go buy it on the resale market just to have it. So it's cool checking it out, but you live and you learn, you miss on some stuff and you just keep going. So not a thing for me to pick up in the future, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Is this something you guys are looking to pick up? You know, how did the release go back on the drop day? And what are your overall thoughts on the shirt? But that's going to end the video for today. I think I've covered pretty much everything in relation to this COVID-19 relief box logo tee. So thank you all for stopping by the video. I really appreciate you guys checking it out. And I guess I'll catch you guys again real soon on the next video.